Hello everyone, today we are taking trades on pocket option following this two indicators on screen. The super trend indicator ATR period 10 and the multiplier 1.5 and save. The stochastic oscillator is used with default settings and the moving average type WMA. We use 1 minute candles and the trade expiry time is set at 3 minutes. We take sell trades like the ones on screen when the super trend indicator shows a lower signal and the stochastic oscillator is going downward from the overbought condition. Do subscribe for more tutorials and join us on Telegram for signals. Let's watch how the trades play out. The trades closed in profit. This is another good moment for sell trades following the same entry conditions as the previous trades. Let's watch how the trades play out. All closed in profit. Great. Here we are taking buy trades and the entry condition is simple. When the super trend indicator gives a higher signal and the stochastic oscillator is leaving the oversold condition upward, you take buy trades with 3-minute expiry time. Let's wait for the trades to play out. All closed with profit. Here is another entry for sell trades. We lost at this sell entry. Thank you all for watching and do subscribe for more tutorials and join us on Telegram for signals.